Hello friends, today we are going to design a simple cub like that with SolidWorks. Let's start. Come to top, sketch, choose center rectangular, 50 by 50. Okay, come to fillet, make it 15, choose all or the entire sketch, select OK, then come to fit spline and choose those lines and click OK, then extrude by 75 with a draft angle to outward equal to 8, then OK, then shell by 2.5 millimeter, enter. Okay, then fillet, choose round fillet. The first faces that, the second is here, the third there. Check OK. That's our simple cub. Let's make the water or the T. Choose that face and click sketch. Choose convert entities, exit, extrude by value equal to 60 with a draft angle to outward equal to 8. Exit, press on merge result, sure that it's not checked, and then press OK. Go to appearance, choose plain white. That looks nice. First go to material and choose glass, clear glass, and put it on our first feature or our cub. Okay, then choose from organic, choose liquid, choose red wine, white wine, whiskey. Let's choose orange juice, put it on our extrude number 3 or number 2. Okay, that's our cub with orange juice. We should make simple one more tip. On that face, select sketch, convert, and extrude by 2.5 millimeter. Select OK. Then put it in that direction, check perspective, and let's go to render view and select final render. Now it's finished. Okay, and here is our fantastic cub. And with the same way you can add some other materials to get other types of thing like that and that. You can make change just to the material in the cup to get other things. Okay, I hope you liked my tutorial and see you at the next time. Thank you.